Hey folks, this is Shet. So I just wanted to show you some things that I've done. Here's your stream right here. And if you go to classwork, right here in your class drive folder, I've put our next topic, polynomials. And another thing that you should really take a look at is on this left side, when you're in classwork, on the left side are questions for Shets. And when you go to that, I put that in this particular area so that every day you can ask questions and I will have a video the next morning for you that'll answer those questions, or maybe even in the afternoon. So I just wanted to show you some things where I put them. If you go to this class work, in your Google Drive will be your polynomial packet that we will start on Monday. And then over here, there'll be questions for Shets. I'm going to put the date. You can ask the questions. Everybody has rights, editing rights. So don't erase somebody's question. And everybody has editing rights. So I will answer those questions and make a video. Okay, so that's two areas where I put some new things. All right, folks, take care. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.